So here's how to upload audio on Suno AI. First up, let's go over to the suno.com website. And as you can see, we're already here. Now you need to sign into your account or sign up if you don't have one. So as you can see, we're now in the Suno AI dashboard. From here, you need to go over to the left panel and click on Create. After that, you'll be taken to the Create page. Over here, select Custom from the top. Then, you need to click on Audio on the top and click on Upload. Now, you can choose any file that you want from your device and click on Open. After that, choose the section that you want and click on Save. Then, you can choose from any of these options or click on Continue. And as you can see, the audio clip is now being uploaded. This way, you can upload any audio file and use it as reference or to extend or in any other ways possible in Suno AI. And that is exactly how to upload audio on Suno AI.